Excuse me, Damar. Good morning, guys. We are going to start the detox drink. I have several people that's been asking about it, so as always, you know you can view it on YouTube. My different journey. So good morning, guys. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And today I am on day 23 of the Claws Detox journey. Let me move this iPad a little bit. And I'll be doing the Claws drink and talking to you about one of the effects that you may experience during the Claws drink. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to keep this live stream till about 15 minutes. So let's see how that goes. C for cayenne pepper for circulation. And you guys know I always have about 4 drinks to make. L for lemon. And these lemons are small. The last batch of lemons I brought were so big. But again, these are organic lemons, so that's probably why they're so small also. So L for exfoliation. And I won't sit here and do all of them on live stream. I'll just do one and then I can do the rest when I log off. A for apple cider vinegar. Remember, always drink this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth so that it doesn't affect the enamel of your teeth. 1 tablespoon. Good morning. 1 tablespoon. A for apple cider vinegar. Water, you want about 8 to 9 ounces of water. Good morning. Then you want 1 tablespoon of agave or honey. That's just for a little sweet sensation. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And like I like to say, the extra virgin olive oil helps you to have a smooth elimination. So you're not straining and you're not causing any damage by trying to force your stool to come out. So 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now, the easiest way to drink this is to stir it as you're drinking it. It's easier to kind of have all the ingredients to come through at the same time. If you do not stir it while you're drinking it, what will happen is the extra virgin olive oil will fall to the bottom and you'll have the last 1 or 2 gulps that have extra virgin olive oil, and for some, it kind of throws them off. So again, C for cayenne pepper for circulation, L for lemon, exfoliation, A for apple cider vinegar, which is stimulation, W for water, hydration, S for sweetener, which could be honey or agave, sweet sensation, and E for extra virgin olive oil, which helps to have a smooth elimination. This is the kidney liver flush, called the Claws drink, CLAWSE. You can drink this every day. Again, you want to drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth so that you don't have any effects on your enamel. Now, one thing, my drink I'm going to make a little differently since I'm doing a parasite cleanse. So mine will be a little different. But one thing you will notice that you may end up breaking out while you're doing the detox. And the reason why you break out is because your body's getting rid of toxins. It's pushing the toxins out of your system. Especially the more you hydrate, the more the toxins will flow out of your system. And when your toxins flow out, they could flow out in various ways of various channels. So you may notice that you have a lot of mucus through your nose. You may notice that you have a lot of mucus through your throat. You may notice mucus in your stool. You will pass your toxins through your stool. You will pass your toxins through urination. You will pass toxins through sweating. You will also pass toxins through your skin breaking out. So if you have issues with your skin, you may notice a flare-up. Do not be alarmed by that. That is normal. When that happens, just be sure that you're hydrating, so you can flush all the toxins out of your system. So if you break out, like my daughter sent me a picture of her face the other day, and she was like, Mom, I think my face is breaking out due to this drink. And I answered her, yes, it is, because the toxins are coming. Good morning. I hope all is well. The toxins are pushing through her skin. So that is normal to have a breakout. If you're prone to eczema, you may notice that your eczema may get worse for a little time as your body's detoxing, and then it'll get better. If you have acne, you'll probably see a whole flush of flare-ups come out, and then your acne gets better. That is just confirmation how what you put on in your inside pushes and reflects on your skin. So that is normal. With me, I'm noticing, and I don't know if you guys could see it, but I notice it in some of my videos, I have a little darkness here. And this is something on this side too. I notice will come and go. So now I'm trying to pay more attention why sometimes I get this darkness, sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's patchy, and trying to figure out why it comes and goes. At the beginning, my face was more clear, and I noticed that it goes through a cycle when this comes and goes. So I'm trying to correlate it if this flares up when the parasites are being released from my toxins, my body. So I wanted to do a short live stream today, show you how to make the claws drink, and explain to you about one of the side effects that you may have is breaking out. If that happens to you, once again, be sure you stay consistent in flushing out your system with water and coconut water. And also you take care of your skin, take extra care of your skin, use the right products on your skin so that as you're releasing the toxins from the inside, you're also renewing your face by the products you use on the outside. And one thing I could suggest to you, if you've never used my products before, I would suggest you to try the Pine Tar Mini Set, which is a small, I didn't have plans on saying this, so I don't have it in front of you, which is a small 1 ounce pine tar soap and a small scar butter. And that set alone really helps to get your skin on track. And usually when customers order it, I send them a sample of my spinach soap. So if you're detoxing and you don't have the proper facial products to use on your skin while you're detoxing, go ahead and send me an inbox, or go ahead and send me a DM, Instagram, and I will go ahead and talk to you about your skincare regimen, and we can create a package for you, either the Pine Tar Mini Set, or if your skin needs something else, I can determine that while talking to you so that you're doing the inside and the outside at the same time. So by the time your journey is done, you'll have your skin in the condition you'd like it to be in. Corbin, what day are you on for your detox? Let me know what day you're on. As you're answering that question, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up making these other drinks and then sign off and get my day started. Or if not, you can send me an inbox and let me know what day you're on your detox drink. I can actually message you also, so you don't necessarily have to answer online. If you're watching the replay, guys, definitely take some time to share this with friends and family. Everybody goes through their own personal journey that you may not know about, and my video may be just what they needed to help them get past the slump that they're in, whether it be mental, their body, their skin, and hair. So definitely share my YouTube. Day 18, wow. So you're a little bit behind me. That's awesome. I didn't realize you were so far along. That's great. In what, 4 days, you'll be at 3 weeks. Yay, congratulations. So excited for you. So let me go ahead and share some announcements. Monday night, we are going to do our Detox the Hair. We have 2 weeks of Detox the Hair. Part 1 is Monday night. Part 2 is the following Monday. Again, you can watch my personal journey on YouTube. My YouTube is called Skinfood. And you can also subscribe to my emails so you know what's going on with Skinfood and any information I want to share with you guys. I am so happy you're feeling great. It's it's like one of those things like, wow, why didn't I know about this sooner so I could get started? I feel amazing. I went to the gym yesterday and I worked out with a personal trainer, and I was afraid to work out with a personal trainer because I haven't worked out with a personal trainer in, I want to say, 2 years. And with my adrenal fatigue, I was afraid that I might crash. I had an amazing workout. I came home, I made sure I took a nap to rejuvenate my body. I'm going to be doing yoga and meditation. I've been doing yoga, but I'm going to do more meditating so I can make sure I keep my stress level down so I can finally conquer this adrenal fatigue. I cannot wait to get my body to how it was in 2013 or even better. So I'm excited. You're feeling great because I know how you feel. I feel amazing also. I'm going to go ahead and close up now, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with friends, families, and loved ones. You guys have a blessed and amazing Tuesday. Bye.